In the first question of this optional exercise, it is given a wooden bookshelf has external dimensions as follows. Height is 110 centimeters, depth is 25 centimeters and breadth is 85 centimeters. As you can see in the figure, height is 110, then depth is 25 centimeters and breadth is 85 centimeters. Next it says the thickness of the plank is 5 centimeters everywhere. It means this thickness, this you can see that is 5 centimeters. This one is 5 centimeters. Then the external faces are to be polished and the inner faces are to be painted. The external, the blue part you can see, that need to be polished, and the inner faces, the gray and white part, they need to be painted. If the rate of polishing is 20 paisa per square centimeters and rate of painting is 10 paise per square centimeters, then find the total expenses required for polishing and painting the surface of the bookshelf. That is, the dimensions of the bookshelf are given, thickness of the plank is given, and the rate of polishing and rate of painting is given. You have to find the total expense required for polishing and painting the surface of the bookshelf. So what should we do? We'll first find the area that needed to be polished, that is the external faces area, and we'll multiply it by the rate. In the same way, we'll find the area that need to be painted, that is the inner area, and we will multiply it with the rate, that is 10 paise, and we'll get the total expense, and we'll add both the expenses and we'll get the total expense of painting and polishing. So let's start. So let the inner length and height of the bookshelves, the inner shelves where the things needed to be put, they are L and H, as you can see in the figure. Let's say they are L and H, the length and height. It means, if you see carefully, height, 3 times of height, and 1, 2, 3, 4 times the thickness of plank, that is 5 centimeters. The sum of this complete should be equal to 110 centimeters. It means total height 110 centimeters should be equal to height, that is 3h, and plus 4 times, because there are 4 planks, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times the thickness, that is 5 centimeters. So from here we can find out the height of the inner shelf. So to do that, we'll simplify. 110 is equal to 3 into height plus 4 5 is the 20. Then 20 will subtract from both sides, we'll get 90 equals to 3h, or 3h is equal to 90. Now to find the height, we'll divide both sides by 3 and height comes out to be 30 centimeters. So the inner height or height of inner shelf is 30 centimeters. Now let's find the length in the same way. So you can see 2 times the thickness plus the inner length should be equal to the total length, that is 85. It means L plus 2 times the thickness, that is 5, should be equal to 85. That implies L plus 10 should be equal to 85, and L comes out to be 75 centimeters. It means height of inner shelf is 30 centimeters, length of inner shelf is 75 centimeters. So I'll write it here. Length is 75 and height is 30. So now we have to find the area of bookshelf that needed to be polished. So the area to be polished is the external faces area. It means what we can do, we can find the total surface area of this bookshelf, and from that we can subtract the area of these inner faces which are open. So it means total surface area of external shelf or bookshelf minus, there are three open faces, 3 times the area of open portions. So we'll get 2 into LB plus BH plus HL minus 3 into length into height. Length into height, because open faces are L into H, the rectangular faces, right? Let's substitute the values. 2 into length is 85, breadth is 25, plus breadth is 25, height is 110 plus 110 into 85 minus 3 into the inner length. The length of the open portion is 75 and height is 30. When we solve this, this comes out to be 21,700 square centimeters. That means the area that needed to be polished is 21,700 square centimeters. It means cost of polishing will be the rate is 20 paisa per square centimeters. Rate of polishing is 20 paise per square centimeters. It means total cost of polishing will be area, that is 21,700 multiplied by 20 paise. It comes out to be it comes out in paise. So it will be 434,000 paise, and if we want to convert into rupees, we divide by 100, so it comes out to be rupees 4,340 rupees. So this is the cost of polishing the outer faces of the shelf. Now we'll find the cost of polishing the inner faces of the shelf. So inner shelf needed to be painted. So total area to be painted is equal to, it will be they are also the in cuboidal shape. So what we can do is we can find 3 times the total surface area of inner shelf minus area of open portion. Area of open portion. So this comes out to be 3 into total surface area will be 2 into LB plus BH plus HL minus open portion are again the rectangular portions. It means length into height. Length into height. Substitute the values. 3 times 2 into LB is 30 into 75. The length is 75 and height is 30. It means 75 into 30. And here the breadth will be, as the outer breadth is 25, then the inner breadth will be 25 minus the thickness. The at the back side there is a plank. The thickness of that plank, that is 5. It means 20 centimeters. So it means plus 20 into 30 plus 20 into 75 and minus 30 into 75. When we simplify this, we get an answer 19,350 square centimeters. So this is the area that needed to be painted. Now we have to find the cost of painting. So cost of painting, they have given the rate of painting is 10 paise per square centimeters. It means cost of painting will be 19,350 multiplied by 10 paise. It means 193500 paise, and we can change it to rupees by dividing by 100. It means rupees 1935. So this is the cost of painting. Now to find the total expenses, we will add the cost of polishing and cost of painting. So total expenses is equal to cost of polishing was rupees 4340 and cost of painting we got rupees 1935. When we add this, we get rupees 6275. So this is the total expense on polishing from inside, polishing out the outer area and painting the inner area of that bookshelf.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.